Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. My name is Jonathan again, and today I wanted to show you how we can deploy our form into our Kobo toolbox on an Android phone or any other phone for us to start the data collection. Yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to come to our form. This is how our form is looking like. And basically, what you're going to do, just come to any of the forms. Let me say maybe this one, and then let's just come to any of this. Let me click on that one. Then once you're here, you're seeing where there is summary, form, data, and then settings. So once we're here, we're just going to come to form. And when you come to form, you're going to come to where there is data, where there is collect data. We have online and offline, multiple submission. So we are going to click on this arrow here. Once we click there, you're going to see online only multiple sections, online only single submission, online only once per respondent, embeddable web form code, view online, and then Android. Remember, we want to put this on our Android phone. So what we're going to do, just click on online, on Android version, Android application. So this Android means you're going to put this form on your phone. So we have steps we're going to follow. We have install Kobocollect on your Android version. So before you do anything, you have to first download the form, the application, then click to open settings. So let me take you now to another form. Let's take it to another form here. Just give me a second. So I'm sharing on my phone. So here, what you're going to do when it comes to sharing, you're going to be seeing the form. Still a moment. Okay. So here, what you're going to do, just come, resume share. Okay. What you're going to do here, just allow your phone. You have to first follow the steps to open settings. Then you go to the server URL. If it is an account for community or for personal, we put in https, then kc.kobotoolbox.com. If it is an organization, humanitarian account, we use HTTPS. Let me increase the font size. Hope you can see this. Then .kc.humanitarianresponse.com. So what we're going to do now, just come to your phone. Let me come to my phone now. Yeah, this is my phone. So you're going to go to Play Store and download Kobo Toolbox. And my Kobo Toolbox, as you can see it here, may have it on my phone. So I just click on it. Once I click on my Kobo Toolbox, it's going to show in that format. Once it shows that format, they are going to delete forms. No. Okay. So basically, this is how it looks like. And you can see once I come to my, where there is that care, we are seeing Kobo humanitarian and then KC kobotoolbox.org. So in case I want to add a project, I just come, I click on add project. And once I click on add project, you're going to be seeing what? You're going to be seeing a scan configuration QR code. But okay, in case you have a barcode, the other side, you can just scan your barcode and then to automatically bring you the question. And we have option 2 where we can enter manually. You can just click on enter manually, and then you will go and enter your server, whereby we said it is KC. It is HTML. I mean HTTPS, then these 2 dots. These 2 dots here. These 2 dots here. Then the dash dash. Then we have KC. Then dots. So after that, you put the account name, which is Go Use Tech. Go Use Tech. And then you can put the password. Then after the password, you can just add project. So let me just show you how it is looking like on my site. Let me show you how it is looking like on my side. So once I come back, let me just cancel this. Once I come back, you're going to be seeing like, okay, let me just use this one, the ones that are there. I have 2 different things. The first one is for humanitarian response. And the second one is for KC Kobo Toolbox. This is my personal account. Yet the other one, the upper one, is organizational account. So let me just go to my personal account, which is the second one. I just click there. So once I click there, and then I go back to the settings, I go to the settings. Once I click on settings, they will bring me the server, project display, user interface, maps, form management, user and identity. So once I click on the server like that, you'll be able to see like the type is Kobo Toolbox. Then the URL is https, then kc.kobotoolbox.org. Then the username is GoUseTech, and then the password. Yeah, so this one is different from this one of humanitarian. Once I click on the one of humanitarian, and then I come to the settings, then settings. You're going to see like the server is totally different. Like type state is Kobo, then you're going to see that it's HTTPS, then KC humanitarian response.info. The other one was kc.kobotoolbox.org. Hope you can clearly see this very well. Then the username and then the password. So after that, you can come back and then let me just use my personal. Once you reach here, we have different things you're going to follow. The first one is called fill blank form. Fill blank form means that you already have forms you're going to fill. And then the second one is edit saved form. You might have maybe collected some data somewhere, but you never finalized the tool, or you finalized the tool and maybe you found out that you made some errors. You just come and edit the tool. Then send finalized form. Send finalized form means you're going to send like it's already saved work. You're just going to send the data to the Kobo Toolbox server. Then if you send forms, you can use the send forms here. But now we want to get a new form. Actually, let me first delete all the forms I'm having. I can first delete the blank forms. Let me just delete them all. I delete them all. So once I delete these forms, and then I come back now, once I come to fill, now I have no form. Hope you can see this very well. I have no form. So I want to get a new blank form. I just get blank form. And once I reach at get blank form, it's going to take a few minutes as it's loading the forms. And once it is done, it will show you, it will bring you all the forms that you have on your server, the one that you deployed on the system. And then after that, you'll be able to download the form you want. Let us give it some time as it is still loading, because I know there are very many forms. Yeah, so on my side, the forms are done. These are some of the forms I have on my system. So I want, like, maybe I just want to select one form. So you can unselect by selecting all. You just click there. So let me just take learn languages. I just want that form. After that, you click get blank form, and then it will take also some time when it is loading. As we can see, all download succeeded. So once it is done downloading, it will automatically show you it has been downloaded. So let us now see how we can fill the form. After downloading our form, what else? We have just clicked fill blank form, and then you'll find the tool is ready there. So you can open it. You just tap on it, and then it will automatically bring you the questions. So what is your name? You can type maybe Jonathan. Then you go to another question. How old are you? Maybe I'm 24. Then brings you to another question. Country of birth. There is Uganda, USA, China, maybe let me say USA. Then are you married? Yes or no? Maybe I'm not sure if I'm married or no. Sex, I don't know my sex. Then you can save the form. This is the end of the form. So you just click save. So once you click save, this is the difference now. You're going to see edit saved form. There's only one form. Send finalized form. And then when I say edit, once I click on edit, it will show me that I'm going to edit this form. See? To bring all the questions. So maybe I made an error on sex. I can just tap on sex, and then I click maybe a male. Once I click on male, I can just press next, and then I can save my form. So what next after saving your form? After saving your form, kindly come to send finalized form. And on send finalized form, you just click there. Once you click on the send finalized form, you'll find this such a box. You just click on the box, and then after click on the box, you'll just and send finalized form. So it will show you that it is sending the form. Please wait a few minutes as it is sending. They'll show you the number of forms you're sending, and then you'll be able to see the forms when they are sent. So upload results, learning language successfully submitted. So just press OK. Once you press OK, they'll show you that in the send finalized forms, there is no more form that has been left there. So what you're going to do, just come back and then come to your main menu, and you'll be seeing that one form has been sent now in view sent form. Finally, that is how we can deploy the form onto our Kobo toolbox, and then how we can collect data using Android version, like Android phones. So let me go back to still my screen, like my server, and then I see what exactly is being, like what exactly is taking place there. I want to see something small now. I see what exactly is taking place on my server. Okay. Sorry, it's gonna take some few minutes. Okay. So after coming back to our server, of course, you're seeing like once I come back to our tool here, our forms. Okay, we'll remove this. Remember, we had collected some data on learning languages, which is this one. So once I click there, you'll be able to see, you'll be able, once I come to data, you should be able to see that one tool has been submitted. So this is how it looks like. You'll be able to see like the validation, then we have the start, which is today 14th. And then we have the end. We have what's your name. We have what's your name, which is Jonathan. We have how old are you? How old are you, which is 24. And then we have country of birth, which is USA. We have how are you married? I'm not so sure. Sex, we have male. And then it will bring the version of the question, the ID. ID is the phone, like the phone that I'm using. Then the submitted by, go use take. Hope you can see this. So basically, guys, thank you so much for the time. I really appreciate. I hope you've learned something new today on how we can deploy the form onto our Kobo toolbox, and then also on how we can send our work, and also how we can deploy like the server, get the new blank form, fill the form, edit the form, and also check it on the system if it has reached or not. So I am really grateful, and I beg to stop here. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. However, remember to subscribe. Remember to follow us on all our social media platforms. Guys, you are really doing great. Bye for now.